Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the update won't fail. Make sure your device OS meets Bgmi requirements and you have at least one. 5 GB free. Once done, sign into the App Store using the same Apple ID or Google account you originally used. This guarantees the update appears. Now open the App Store, tap your profile, and scroll to available updates. You do this first to avoid mismatched accounts or insufficient storage that block downloads. You now handle the actual download and install process. Tap Update next to Bgmi or choose Update All if you have several apps queued. If the download pauses, tap the Bgmi icon to resume. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi unless you've allowed large downloads over mobile data. While it downloads, watch the progress bar and avoid interrupting power or network. Once the installation finishes, open Bgmi briefly to let any in-game migrations complete and confirm the new version. You finish by ensuring the update applied cleanly and by fixing common hiccups. If in-game assets fail to load, force quit Bgmi and relaunch so the client fetches missing files. If the App Store still shows old status or download stall, clear its cache or restart your device to reset connections. As a last resort, reinstall Bgmi, but make sure you've backed up your account and any cloud saves first. This prevents data loss and explains why reinstalling is only a final step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.